What you need to know before selling your house. Thinking of selling your house? Whether you're relocating, itching for more space, or need to downsize, selling your house is a big deal. So here are a few things you need to know before selling your house. First things first, selling your house isn't just about swapping keys. It's also about swapping dollars. If you're using a real estate broker or agent, and most people do, be prepared to pay them a commission. The rates vary, so be sure to shop around. Now, when it comes to prepping your home, there are two schools of thought. Some say a little TLC with fresh paint and general spruce-up is the way to go. Others think most buyers have their own plans, so why bother? Talk to your broker or agent to come up with a plan. And before the open house or taking professional photos of the house, make sure your home is clean and clutter-free. Now, let's talk about capital gains and losses. It's like playing Monopoly, but in real life. Calculate your gain or loss by subtracting all the selling expenses from the sale price and factor in everything you spent on your property, like renovations and repairs. Just know that if you do have a gain, it may be taxable. And speaking of taxes, there is some good news. If you have lived in your home for at least 2 of the last 5 years, you might get a tax break. Be sure to chat with a trusted tax advisor to get everything squared away. Once you're ready to sell your house, don't forget you'll have another list of things to know before buying your home. You'll first want to figure out what size of home you need, what type of neighborhood you want to live in, and your budget. You'll also want to shop around for mortgages. Interest rates vary, but Scott Credit Union has great rates and even a 100% financing option. That means you might be able to purchase your new home with no down payment. Contact one of Scott Credit Union's home loan experts to find out which mortgage is best for you. Hope this helps, and check out our other videos for more helpful tips.